If you are a muscle car fanatic the way that I am, I love these things. You know exactly what this is without me having to tell you anything. This is a 1970 Barracuda. Look at these sexy lines between the grille, the scoops, the hood pins. Everything about the car screams muscle. White bucket seats. Makes your heart race even thinking about this car. It is a 383 4-barrel carb. It is a numbers matching car. It's mated to a 727 Super 3-speed automatic. It has the gear vendor that has been added. If you're not familiar with the gear vendor, listen up. A gear vendor allows you to split gears, so it takes your 3-speed, turns it into a 6-speed. On the highway, you get unbelievable performance and speed out of a gear vendor. As an added bonus, a gear vendor increases your gas mileage between 22 to 28% on the highway. Perfect road car. Grab your friends, do a road trip in this car. It has brand new gears in the rear, it's 323, and a Posi. Everything about this car screams muscle car. Are you in love? Oh, you should be. Oh my God, it's not every day you get to run across one of these in any condition. Reg alone, one as beautiful as this. 1970 Barracuda 383 4-barrel, made it to a 727 3-speed automatic with a gear vendor, 323 gears with a Posi. You don't need any more than that. There is an added bonus though. It's an AC car, factory AC car. Very rare for these cars, and it is here. How about another bonus? Are you listening? How about 4-wheel disc brakes? This car has it all. Those options alone increase the value immensely for this car.